Social Tassels welcomes you to the Navratri edit, all brought to you by Polumi and Mansi, where you will find beautiful chania cholis of different types, some very beautiful jewelry options, festive wear, beautiful men's wear, kids wear, and a lot more. And if you want to check out, all this is happening at Travelers Home for one day, so definitely visit them. And if you want to check out the collection, you know what you have to do: swipe left. This is brand The Silk Saga, and as you can see, she's wearing one of their collections. Moving on to some more pieces. Yes, ma'am.
Another color of it.
Beautiful. Lovely. Look at that. Okay.
Look at the color.
Beautiful color options. Lovely. Look at that. This is brand Design Box, and they have come out beautiful jewelry. पूरा उनका जो curation है. They have brought beautiful pieces. Look at that. Something for Navratri, festivities, Diwali, weddings. You will find it all here. Statement rings, ear cuffs, beautiful options. So this is brand Anjana Say by Anjana Bora. She has brought a beautiful curation of dupattas, some potli bags. पूरा बांधनी और अजरक का जो काम है. She has beautifully curated those pieces. Lovely. Look at that. हैंडवर्क के साथ है. Lovely. So in this particular video we are covering two brands. The first one is Aries by Forum. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
Lovely.
This is our latest collection for this year's Navratri. Come
Okay.
festivities.
Okay. Very pretty. Something in bright, beautiful yellow.
Yeah.
Look at that.
And then we have cotton sets as well.
Okay. Cotton set में भी options हैं. Beautiful. Okay. Moving on to Deepika Yolekar, the second brand. Yes.
Yeah. We have a white and festive collection.
Okay.
दुपट्टा heavy work में, mirror work में.
Okay.
Festive में हमारे पास dresses and suits भी है.
Beautiful. Look at that. Very pretty.
We have a shade style like this.
Okay. Beautiful. So this is brand RD's Creation. उनके पास बहुत सुंदर दुपट्टा options हैं. Very pretty. And they also have this beautiful collection जहाँ पे आपको set options मिल जाएंगे. पूरा cotton में जो है beautiful options in different colors. Set options मिल जाएंगे आपको. Very pretty. Along with that, they have these full set options as well. Look at that. In different colors and combinations. Moving on to the next brand. यहाँ पे भी you will find beautiful chania options. They have something in shibori, something like this in dual. Along with that, they have men's wear. उसके साथ साथ उनके पास बहुत ही beautiful jewelry के भी option है. Something in half sleeves, kadas, bangles. Brand Ras Leela. Yes, ma'am.
Hello. So yeah, we have the pretty chania choli sets in white.
Okay, beautiful. We have something a collection, vibrant colors, beautiful options. In this particular video, we are covering two brands. So wait for the next brand. This is the first brand, that is Nirvaab K. Yes, ma'am. We have beautiful chania cholis. Blouses के भी बहुत सारे options हैं उनके पास.
In modal silk in a
Okay.
multicolor.
Beautiful.
It comes with a blouse piece.
Okay, it comes with a blouse piece.
Then we have something in padla work.
Okay,
You can see this is very beautiful. The color combination.
okay, lovely.
Something in chinol silk.
So this is brand Cora, and if you visit them today, then they are going to give you this gift voucher जो आप उनके shop पे encash करवा सकते हैं. They have come up with beautiful men's wear जो आप festivities में, नवरात्रि में, दिवाली में, weddings में you can definitely carry these pieces. Look at that. Moving on to some beautiful kurta options भी है उनके पास with the dupatta koti options. Look at the beautiful designs. You can wear this separately. आप mix and match भी कर सकते हो.
Also customization.
Okay, so they customize as well. Very pretty. So this is brand Arneen, and if you're looking for some more stackable options, I'll show you more options in them. This is all silver designer jewelry. They have beautiful options of bangles, something in statement pieces if you're looking for that, something in delicate bracelets. Beautiful earrings. Look at that. They have options in loose bracelets as well. Look at that. Something in neck pieces with earrings. Beautiful. So this is brand Shania Bajaj. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Yes.
I am exhibiting here at Social Tassels. Palumi and Mansi have curated the show very well. I've got some Indian wear and Navratri wear also. This is a very smart piece.
Okay.
It has a sleeveless blouse to go with. And there is the magenta dupatta to go with it.
Okay.
And I've got this white lehenga for the season. This very smart
Beautiful.
piece.
Okay.
And I've got lovely kids wear also. Something like this. It's from age group 2 to 6. And I've got kurtas for boys also.
How cute. So this is brand Nidhi's. Look at that. She's come up with something very different. She's all the way from Chennai. Lovely. Very unique designs. Wow. Look at that. Very pretty. Is brand The Silk Saga, and as you can see, she's wearing one of their collections. Moving on to some more pieces. Yes, ma'am.
Another color of it.
Beautiful. Lovely. Look at that. Okay. Beautiful color options. Lovely. Look at that. So this is brand Tablescape, and they have brought beautiful tableware. As you can see, they have options of a cake topper, and we have such storage options, ceramic bowls, ice cream bowls, glasses, coasters, trays with sections for your.
I am Namrata. Today we are exhibiting our 925 pure silver jewelry at Traveler's Home under the curation of the Social Tassels, and we have lots of collection with the rice pearls and silver fusion necklaces, earrings, rings, long necklaces, and very huge necklaces over there. So you can wear in Ganesh Puja as well, in a Diwali and Navratri as well. And so beautiful.
Hi, I am Malika and my brand name is Dodi Baksa. We have a lot of fusion jewelry right now with us, which are one of a kind piece because we do not repeat the designs.
Okay.
Even all the earrings are super lightweight.
Lovely.
We also deal in Jadau Kundan, which is heritage collection, also moissanite, anti-tarnishing, and here there are beautiful long earrings for Navratri.
Okay, lovely, lovely.
And this is our heritage piece.
Beautiful. This is Dhara's Gourmet Crafts, and she has got beautiful, yummy cookies and goodies and bibs. Lovely. I'll tell you something. These are all center filled.
These are chocolate center filled cookies,
Okay.
which is having orange peels and.
So in this particular video, we are going to cover two brands again. The first one is Gold Threads. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, this is Nancy. This
Okay.
is our new Shakti Look collection. It is a tissue lehenga with voltage and hand embroidered mirror.
Beautiful. All right.
This is again a Georgette, pure Georgette lehenga with pure lampa.
Okay.
With hand embroidered vintage embroidery,
Okay.
and kota dupatta again with the embroidery of it.
Okay.
We also have these blouses like this.
They have beautiful blouses. KB options. Lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, and we move on to the next brand, that is KB. Yes.
Yes, so we have long blouses like this.
Okay.
Where you don't need to wear a dupatta.
Okay.
And then we have flared more than 12 meters of Kera skirts.
Beautiful.
We have bordered skirts.
Lovely. Very pretty. Okay.
And we have mirror work also in skirts.
Okay. So they have mirror work like this as well in skirts. Beautiful. Lovely. So if you're looking for premium gifting items, then this is the right stall. This is Ekani Gifting. Pura silver coated का काम है with beautiful items. Lovely. Ice cream bowls. Something for your dessert, sweets, candle,
Pacheri, and we do only bandage.
Okay.
So we have lot of, and all of them comes with a pocket, and we have a 1 meter blouse piece fabric along with it.
Okay, lovely.
Then we have is ombre chanya. Again, that
Beautiful.
comes with a blouse piece and a dupatta.
Okay,
And the
lovely.
dupatta is of a option in single and in double color.
Lovely.
And then we have lot of Georgette dupattas which can be customized in your.
So this is brand Nikita Vishaka. Yes, they have brought beautiful vibrant colors for Navratri. Very pretty. Look at that, something in dual color, पूरा green और violet का mix है. Beautiful. Then they also have set options, something very different. Beautiful.